ever wondered how online sellers are racking up thousands in profits on trending products? So let's play a little game. How much do you think these sellers are actually paying for these products that you guys are seeing for sale for $30, $50, or even sometimes $100 online? You guys are about to be shocked because I'm about to reveal to you guys the wholesale price that people are paying using Alibaba Lens. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how you can tap into the profits as well. So Alibaba Lens is a brand new image search extension that was created by Alibaba.com. This new extension lets you find wholesale prices as well as suppliers just by clicking on any image that you see online. So that means no more guessing keywords or bouncing in between websites. With one click, Alibaba Lens is going to scan over 2 million products and instantly match you with global verified suppliers. And many of these suppliers, they offer the option of customization to make your products better stand out.
So before Alibaba Lens, you would have to screenshot or download images. You would also have to guess search terms for those products, as well as have a bunch of different tabs open just to try to locate that product. Now you can simply just hover over a product image, click the lens option, and boom, you're directly connected to the wholesale supplier without leaving you stuck browsing and searching for that product. If you're scanning a product with a price, it will automatically come out a price filter for you to narrow down that price.
What's even cooler is that you can combine an image and your own text prompt to refine your search even further. So let's say you want some pink slippers, but you want the slippers to have a faux fur lining as well as a gift box packaging. So to use the AI-powered multimodal search, you simply want to hover over the image or the product that you are trying to find. You want to type in the bar, custom packaging, or whatever customization you're looking for. And to use the customization filter, you just simply want to select view products that support customization, and you are going to get a filtered out list for products that will only allow customization. Once you have found a product that you're interested in, you're just going to go ahead and select that product, and it's instantly going to pop up on the Alibaba.com website. It's going to give you the exact match as well as customization options.
Okay guys, so check this out. These super cute pink house slippers are selling for $180 retail on this website. I want you guys to take a second and guess how much you think these slippers would cost if you buy them wholesale. Using Alibaba Lens, I just found these same exact slippers selling for as low as $3.99. And that is honestly one insane price markup. So that means this person is potentially making as much as $176 profit before taxes. You guys know what's even better? This works for trending products on TikTok as well. So if you see something trending, you see something viral, with just one click, you can instantly find that manufacturer and the wholesale pricing. No digging and no delays.
So if you're someone that's super serious about building a e-commerce business, or you're just looking to start a side hustle, Alibaba Lens is going to make it insanely easy for you guys to find trending, profitable products. It makes it easy for you guys to compare a wholesale price versus a retail price. And it also makes it easier for you guys to become connected with wholesalers who can create customizable products. With traditional tools, like just trying to search a product from taking a screenshot, uploading it to Google, to trying to find it. Sometimes it doesn't pick up on the right products. It's not the exact match. Trying to guess hashtags and keywords or the actual name of the product, it's a hassle. With Alibaba Lens, there's no need to upload screenshots. You can simply scan a photo, any photo that is online. You're able to scan that photo and find the exact match to that product at a wholesale price. It's literally one click. You do not have to leave your browser. There's literally a pop-up on the side. You scan the picture and it's going to show you vendors, prices. It's going to give you options, you guys. And the most important part is that it's going to actually connect you with verified suppliers. So you're not having to go through any of the guessing work. It's literally going to cut down your research time by 90%. Here is exactly how to install this extension.
Okay, so to install the extension, you just want to head over to the three dots on your Google Chrome. We're going to visit the Chrome web store and we are going to type in the search bar Alibaba Lens. Once it pops up, it's going to be the first extension. You're going to click on that and then you're going to click add to Chrome, add extension, and it's instantly going to be installed on your Google Chrome. And that's how easy it is to install it.
So to use Alibaba Lens, you're going to tap on that orange icon that you see on the right hand side, and then you're just going to hover over any picture of a product that you are trying to locate. And don't forget to pin Alibaba Lens to your Google extension. So if you're an entrepreneur, you're an aspiring entrepreneur, or you're just looking for a side hustle and you need to find these quality trending products that you know are going to make you money because they are proven to make money, then go ahead and click the link in my description and install Alibaba Lens on the Google Chrome extension. And don't forget to pin it to your extension bar so that it's ready and easy to use whenever you need it, because you literally never know when inspiration is going to pop up. Go ahead and start finding trending products at unbeatable wholesale prices right now.